this is Rob. I'm going to go over the ringtones available on the Nokia 8110 4G phone.
So, to get to the ringtones, we want to go to the main menu by pressing the center button here. Then go down to the settings icon here. Press the center button. This settings window appears. Go to the right by pressing the right side of the center button here. Now we are under personalization, and sound is already at the top and highlighted, so just press the center button. Then we want to go down to tones. Press the center button. The tone screen appears. Go down to ringtones and press the center button. The Nokia tune is the default ringtone. I'm going to scroll up and we will listen to each of the available ringtones. If you do not have one of these ringtones, you may need to do a software update. I will put a description below a link to a video on how to update the software on the Nokia 8110 4G phone. Okay, that is it. Those are the ringtones available on the Nokia 8110 4G phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.